Hey, Scott Machine Gun Dad, welcome back to the channel. Since this is going up on YouTube, I can't show the weapons. I can only show the magazines. Recently, there's a Tec-9 forum on Facebook, and of course the gun broker and everything, and I've seen a lot of magazines advertised as Tec-9 / AP-9 / AB-10. No. Tec-9 magazines are not interchangeable with AP-9 Kimmel magazines. The magazine catching the weapons is at different heights. Now, could you probably adapt one to fit the other? Yeah, but I'm going to tell you what to look for to how to find an AP-9 magazine so you're not buying a Tec-9 magazine. This is a factory Tec-9 magazine. And I will be doing an actual video on the Tec-9 magazines because I bought a lot of magazines that they said were Tec-9 magazines that aren't. This is a factory Tec-9 magazine from an AB-10. So you say, oh, this is a well-made mag. This should work in my Kimmel. No, it won't. These are factory Kimmel magazines. And if you look on the back, they look the same or similar. Quality welds. It's not a piece of stamped out sheet metal. The problem is the height difference. These are lower than these. So you're bidding on Gun Broker and you see something, but if you look at the front of the 30, they kind of look similar. They both have tabs. If this was blued, how would you be able to tell an AP-9 from a Tec-9 magazine? The follower. Right here. I don't know if this is going to show up. I'm going to put one on each side. The followers on the AP-9 are translucent and they have a stripe across the middle. I call it a tiger stripe. I've seen other people call it a tiger stripe too. Does that show up, Shannon? Can
yeah,
you
I got
see the difference? Mm-hmm. That's how you tell a factory AP-9 Kimmel mag. Okay? If you don't have these mags, the magazine you're using probably isn't sitting properly in the gun, unless it's been modified by somebody who knows what they're doing. If you have these mags and the gun's not working, it's probably not the magazine. It's probably, in my case, it's always the extractor. Just a short little video. A lot of people think these magazines are interchangeable. A lot of wholesalers think these magazines are interchangeable. They are not. And if you have an AP-9, which at best is a finicky weapon, and you're trying to make it run with Tec-9 magazines, and you don't have the right magazine, you're going to give up before you get it to run right. Look for the tiger stripe. Just a little bit of tip for new AP-9 owners, but having lived through the frustration of trying to make aftermarket mags work, and they don't, hopefully I'm helping somebody out. Thanks for coming to the channel.